What's up guys, Tony here with Drive Protected, and in today's video I'm just going to show you guys how to wrap a door cup properly. Now, door cups are really easy, really satisfying part of a full vehicle wrap, and it's really easy to take them off on these Sprinter vans, and most general vehicles these days is literally one screw. You can pop that door handle off and not have to worry about it. So you're going to wrap the whole door, and then we're going to go ahead and all we're gonna do is we're gonna squeegee around, and then I already did all this. Take our wrap glove and just go around the perimeter. Not hard, not putting a lot of pressure, just giving yourself that outline. Now that we've given ourselves that outline, what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up this area. Not a lot of heat, you know, high heat on our heat gun for a few seconds will be enough. You'll see it kind of ripple and then it'll go back to smooth. We're gonna let it cool down for a second. Not all the way, obviously, because then the heat is pointless. And then we're gonna start wrapping it. So we're gonna be using a wrap glove for this. Some people use a squeegee. Most people use a wrap glove. So use a wrap glove. We're gonna use our heat gun here, and we're just gonna give this a little bit of heat. You can see it form little fingers and wrinkles, and now those are gone. I'm gonna wait a second, just so it's not right off of the heat. I'm gonna put my thumb right down the middle, and then I'm gonna work my way this way. Now I'm going this way, and you know I'm kind of making a U shape. That is pushing the air out here because you want to make sure that you don't lock this area down, because you want to be able to push that air out. Otherwise, you're just gonna create a nice big bubble for yourself. So just like that, we're doing pretty firm pressure here. If that takes you too long, you can reheat this. Just a little kiss of heat afterwards, but I'm just gonna go back and forth here. Just like that. Just making sure everything is down here. Now we're gonna reheat it, post heat it, whatever you want to call it. Lock that in place. And then a little more pressure. Whenever post heating a vinyl wrap anywhere, especially a place that you've pushed vinyl in, you should always post heat and follow it up with pressure. Same with like door edges. When I wrap these edges, I'm gonna post heat the edges, and I'm gonna follow them up with moving my thumb or finger along it to put pressure on there to get ultimate bond. So here, to finish this door cup up, a little bit of heat there. Firm pressure, because we really want to get it into this little channel here. That's good. A little bit of heat right there. Firm pressure. There we go. Now we're going to follow that up by more heat. And another round with the wrap glove. There we go. Now I can take my knife and trim that, and we'll be good to go. So this, when trimming this, just use a sharp knife, freshly snapped blade. And we're just gonna trim here. Just like that. I'm sure some people can do this even cleaner, and that's okay. So there we go. A little extra piece here. There, now we can put the door handle back in there, but we need to trim this side too. So All right, guys, that is how to easily wrap into a door cup like this with not having to worry about it ever failing. As long as you take your time, do the right post heat, we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.